How to create a Google form. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a Google form. So come over here onto docs.google.com/forms, or just simply search for Google Forms and it'll pop up. Click on the link and you're good to go. Then once you arrive onto their website, all you got to do is just simply click on the plus icon and you can start a new form. Over here you can add the title, add the description, and add options, and you should be good to go. And over here you can see the responses to all of your questions that you have put inside the form. If you don't want to create a form and you want to go with a template, you can. All you got to do is select a template. So let's say you would want this one, right? The contact information. And over here, as you can see, it's a pre-made template with background and emails and all the answers you want, and you should be good to go. So over here, let's say from description, you can add whatever that is. And over here in the name, you just enter the name, the email, and the address and the phone number. And if you want to remove some of them, all you got to do is just simply click over here on any of these forms. Let's say we don't want the phone number, we'll click on that and click on the trash can icon, and it'll delete the forms. Now let's go ahead and create our own form in Google. So we'll just simply click on start new forms, click on the plus icon. Over here we'll tag in the option. This is going to be the invite to a party. So something like this. Let's say Rachel's birthday party invite or party invite. And then over here, what is your name? And then you can ask the next question. This will be at the top as well. Then the next question is going to be, will you be attending? And you can make this a multi-choice question or checkbox or whatever. And then you can go ahead and say it is required. And then you can add another question. Who will you be bringing and stuff like that. And once you've done that, you should be good to go. Then you can just simply go ahead and save it, and that is pretty much it. You can also add images. You can add a video by clicking on this button right here, and it'll open up this pop-up where you will find all the resources. For right now it's still loading, I don't know why, but yeah, just simply click on whatever the block you want to edit, and you can add different sections over here. As you can see, section 1, you can add video, images, you can add titles, and import questions from other forums as well. So pretty simple. And once it's done, you can just simply save it, and you can just simply go back and send it to whoever you want to. And that is how you create a form in Google.